Hello, I'm Shalini. So I'm from Belgaum. So this is located in the north of Karnataka. This is me first time visiting Pyramid Valley here at Bangalore, and the experience is good. Uh, I just completed my meditation in the pyramid, and the experience was ecstatic, I would say, because I've been practicing meditation. It's been a year or so now, and I could see a different feeling over there in the king's chamber. The vibrations and the climate around, when I went there and meditated, it was different. So I would actually ask the viewers to come here and experience all of this, because it's the experience that counts. I know that this place has been talked about a lot, but I would urge you to come here and see how, and the benefit of meditation, and start your spiritual journey. And also I visited the Dana food center here, and the food is very healthy, hygienic, and sattvic, I would say. So my experience till now is good and pleasant. So yeah, I'm going to go and explore more places around. So yeah, thank you.